Hey, we are Waterfront restaurant.
Huh?
Waterfront.
I already ordered about a salad.
A very, very fancy restaurant. We're taking my grandson Charlie, my son
I'm
JJ,
only a one beer person.
and my husband, and me.
Unless I don't have time.
And this is Gigi's Waterfront Bar and Grill. Look, there's a Caesar salad. I could just even have crab legs in Caesar salad. I'm fine. Yeah. Oh, look at all the prices. Holy crap.
It's a tasting for 2 or 4 people. It's going to have Maine lobster, shrimp cocktail, oysters, clams, and stone crab. We also have king crab legs. Take a look at that. I'm going to bring you some water. Do you care for bottled or regular?
Yep. Don't crab leg. And Charlie made glasses out of that what?
No, Dad.
Daddy made those glasses? That's so cool.
He made that. This is what you get
Wiki.
with if you spend $100 or more, you get this free
Wiki
gift.
sticks. That's so cool. You like that? Save it.
Videotaping
Save it,
on
honey.
YouTube.
I'll save it,
You
okay?
videotaped anything all week long?
No, because his niche is Japan. My niche is Florida.
Yeah, but he had some, on his YouTube visiting New York. That's my next boat.
That's the name of the boat, Serenity. Okay, first entry is hummus.
Let me try. Ooh, it's hot. The bread's hot.
Oh my God,
We have
it's so hot.
butter. We got butter and
It's fancy because
it.
we're in a fancy restaurant.
you got to cut it. It's too much. You got to take your knife and cut it in half. It's butter.
Told you it's butter.
Floater. There you go.
I'll take this out.
Okay.
Use the fork, honey.
Jeez.
Use the fork, honey. Use the fork. Wait.
Yeah, use the fork.
No, that's for crabs.
Put it on your plate.
Oh, it has butter.
Use your other fork.
This is for crab.
That's for crabs.
Look, see this? You're supposed to use the syrup.
Okay, Charlie, get
That's
that
his
started.
dressing.
That's all crabs, Charlie.
That's
Charlie.
the dressing for it.
Charlie, you don't have to shell the crabs.
See this?
Just
This
eat
is
it.
the dressing for it.
Yeah, that's already done. And it's in biscuits.
Ah, you don't have to. Yeah, grouper.
Take some of this water.
I mean snapper. We could have caught this ourselves and did it myself. Oh, that's a better one, honey. Wow. Lobster, that's better.
Oh my goodness.
Holy cow. That is so good.
Oh, it's only because of lobster, that's why. Where Charlie sees his crab leg.
Oh my goodness.
Direct from the North Atlantic.
Oh, look at that, Charlie.
Enjoy it.
Oh, that's
Yeah, take a picture of that, Charlie.
Cook
Charlie,
with
take a picture of
White
it.
sangria? White sangria?
I'm taking a video.
You want something to
Yeah,
drink?
yeah, do that, honey.
Dad, to crack it open for you.
Yeah, I need some help.
Wow, you can't finish that, honey. That's so big.
I might.
You might? Oh, you're a crab baby. Look at him. Okay, help him, honey. You got potato too.
I don't like
You
potatoes.
got him? Oh, Daddy's helping you.
You got sauce over here.
Oh, good.
Charlie, we don't do that in the restaurant.
Where's your crab?
There's
Fork.
if you want butter, Charlie, it's right here, melted butter.
Wow, that's a lot
I
of
don't
food.
like.
Wow, Charlie.
Enjoy your food, please. Hold on. Let me help you out with this one.
I got a claw too, see?
Part of that. Need this.